We're playing the original Don't Press the Button. Um, yeah, 'cause, yeah, I don't know. Um, I forgot what I was gonna say. Um, 1 second, let me get this stuff off my other monitor screen. Okay, I got that off. Okay, play. I just want to say thank you again for the collaboration earlier. Mr. Cones. I almost said his real name because I do know him in real life, so that's why I almost said his real name. Anyway. Oh, I was gonna try. This is gonna be a try not to rage challenge, because for some reason, I don't know. Oh, this is so satisfying. No, I don't want one of those. Okay, no crashing out. No crashing out, remember? Sorry, I need a yawn. 1 second. Oh, yeah, now I remember what I was gonna say. I did homework right before this, so my brain is kind of fried right now. So I just want to say that. Let's go. Why? I'm glad I did not grab that. What does this do? Ah! I didn't know that would happen. Nah. Wait, I'm already crashing out. This is a try not to crash out challenge. What am I doing? I got a notification on YouTube. Oh. Okay. It was just Tyler Vitelli posting a video. Don't ask why I saved doing homework till 7 o'clock. I don't know. If I had a statue from noobs. Okay, No! 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 Get off my head. Yes! Let's go! We're doing an amazing job! Yes! No! I almost. Oh no. Why is there people? What if I were to. No, you're not coming over. Neither is you. Go into oblivion. No. Yay! No! 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 That was so close, bro. Is there any more? Nah. Oh no. That scared me. A T. No. Get out of here. Yay. No. 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 Get out. Yeah. Oh, I kinda wanted to press the button, bro. Don't fall off. Okay, so we go this way. What if I were to go all the way down here? I couldn't scream, bro. 1 second, I'm meeting Mike. I'm so sorry about that. Anyway. No! 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 Yo! No! Give me the coin. Oh wait, I forgot this is a try not to rage challenge. Whatever. jumping right then. Yawning. No. What the? Get the most spheres in the team's. Okay. I'm dirty-minded, bro. Okay. Oh, T, I'm sorry about that again. I am in a room with somebody else right now, and they're talking to me. I almost fell down that hole. Wait. Okay, I guess that's what would happen when I fell down that hole. What? What even is going on right now, bro? Oh my goodness. Oh, T. Yes, let's go. We got one in. Yay. My stomach is growling at me like so much right now. I didn't eat like literally. I only eat like ramen today. I'm like starving. Yeah, that literally is true. And also 2 waffles. And that's literally all I ate today, bro. I'm like, why? What is this? Yeah. Me. I'd be taking a picture with the eye closed. Oh, yes, my eyes are open during that. Let's go. That picture was good. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yawning again. Like I said, I did homework before this. My brain is fried right now. Get out! Oh my goodness. Why is there so many? Bro, give me a chance! Bro, oh, we're working together. Oh my goodness. I didn't know that. No! No. 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 Yeah. Let's go. What is this? I don't want to drink that. Is this somebody's homemade lemonade? We're drinking it anyway. It's somebody's radioactive homemade lemonade. What did that do? Anyway, we go up into the grave. We go up, going up into these golden rings in the sky as the sun is right above us in the beautiful atmosphere. Anyway, get through all of the 7 rings. Yes, let's go. That was the first one. Let's go. What if I were to go downward? Oh my goodness, my stomach is so mad at me for not eating. So I'm so sorry if you hear growling. That is my stomach. I only ate like ramen and breakfast today. I don't know why, cause like, no, I wasn't that hungry. Blow, baby. Blow, 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 blow. How are people flying? What the Sigma? Why are we flying? Bro, this is so much harder than it looks on computer. Like, why? Below, 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 blah, 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 blah. How do you get 40 points, bro? How do you get 40? I pressed the button. No! I wanted to press the button. No. Why this one again? This one's hard.
Give me the gem. No,
That was mine. Rawr. Why?
why? What the?
Why is our coins outside of the map? Imagine that had 6. No! 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 Why? 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 Why?
Give me the gem. Yes.
Let's go. No, it's this kid. What does this even do? Like, what does this do? I don't think it does anything. I don't really know what it does, but I'm gonna clip the banana and then unequip it. 1 second. Bro, how did I die? I'm so sorry about me keep muting my mic. I'm in a room with somebody else right now. And they keep talking to me. So, yeah. Bro, why did it just do that one like over and over? Why do I get away? No. No! I don't want the hot potato anymore. I don't want a hot potato. Yes, let's go. Why is this one keep doing so much? What is this? I guess I can't, bruh. No, wait, no!
No, I don't.
No. I didn't know. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What is on my other screen right now, bro? Yeah. No. 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 How do I get this on my screen?
No.
How do I get this off my screen? Oh, okay. No! Oh my goodness. This is a try not to rage challenge, but then it turned into a raging try not to what? I meant tried not to. Wait, it's confusing. No. What the? Okay.
No.
I want to stay on the longest. Bro, how does everyone else have so much more time? Get up. Get out. No. I want to win.
No.
No, bro. Voice crack. Oh my goodness. I want to stay on the longest. I'm just gonna spam this and then just hope I don't sacrifice myself. I meant, what? Yeah. How does this person?
How did you get
4-1
seconds, bro?
Bro, so annoying. Bro. Okay. Okay, give me this. The button. A T. Okay. Alright. So now we get coin. Give me gem. A T.
Give me the coin.
Yay. We got the coin. Nah. Okay, what the diamond? Why did I call it a diamond? No. I sacrificed my own life for it. 1 second, I'm gonna like, never mind. I'm not gonna mute my mic anymore. What the?
No.
Dang it! Bro, that's so annoying. Ugh. What? It's this one again. This one's like literally so hard. Ugh, bro. Is it at no, it's. I was about to say. Okay. Yas. Let's go. The only reason why I felt motivated to do my homework today is I told myself I have to do my homework to record a video today. That's the thing I told myself to do. Me. So, yeah. Please tell me I won.
How?
No, bro. I'm gonna have to eat after this. My stomach hurts so bad right now. Oh my goodness. What are we doing? What are we doing right now? Zombies are roaming the city. Run from them. Oh dear. I guess I will. Wait, where? Like down below? Wait. What the Sigma? Where else am I supposed to go? No. We are all infected now. I guess I'm infected. Okay. OT. Okay. It looks like Charlotte just went through like a pile of somebody's homemade brownies. Like a horse's homemade brownie or something like that. What the? What are you doing? What was that for? Why, it's our bananas. Why was our bananas, bro? Bombs are falling from the sky. Push them away. Oh, no. I'm just... Nah. This is getting me terrified. Why did you say I have an item out? I don't have an item out. Okay. Whatever. That will be good. I meant better. What the Sigma?
Press button.
Yay! No, bro. Nah. Why? Oh.
I was in the car.
I wanted a coin, bro. I'm gonna equip this and I'm gonna run. Because I guess the speed quote's free. Why the Sigma? Why? Okay. I don't know why I have a shirt on now randomly, but okay. Whatever. This is not. What the? Why? 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 Yes, my voice does hurt from recording these videos, in case if you are wondering. I have, yeah. So yes, then I literally have a picture of my putting Vaseline on my lips because I hate winter. It gets super dry in the winter. No, I wanted to get it up. Oh no. Why do I? Why? I have like no health left.
No!
No. 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 That makes me mad. Okay, this last round, I'm doing this round, and then I'm going to end the video. What the? Okay. Whatever. Bruh. Anyway, run away from the tornado. Wait, what would actually happen if I were to go towards the tornado? Reasonable. I thought something else would happen, so that's why. But anyway, bye guys. I will see you guys in the next video.
Chocolate milk.